3, 2, 1, go.
And here we go. First 15 seconds of Charged Up, presented by Haas in Autonomous. What you see happening is what the students have programmed their bots to do. 6340 and 6023 climb up on the charging platform, the station, gaining 12 points for their alliance. As now 2 minutes and 15 seconds worth of action taken over by the human players. Coming out of Autonomous, it's 24-21 in favor of the Blue Alliance, as we now have 2 minutes left to go in the match. 63-41, having that cube placed on that top of the tower worth 5 points. 63-40, the Marist Manatees placing the comb high atop that metal power pole. That was worth 5 points, as Avenger Robotics pushes a cube into the low row, gaining their alliance 2 points for that. 33-33 right now, as we got 95 seconds left to go. The Marist Manatees with that cone in their possession, placing it high atop that metal tower pole along the side of the road there, charging up their community as they try to build their grid. The Avenger Robotics team heading back into their community. The community is marked by the tape you see in front of their driver stations. As 1795 Team Clutch enters their community, they push a cone into the low row for 2 points on the Red Alliance. Here comes 7451 across the field into the power substation for the Blue Alliance. They're going to collect some of those cubes or cones from their yard. The yard manager delivers that piece of equipment to 7451, and they head down the field. Moving across the field, they head back into the community right now with that cube in their possession. They're going to place it high atop the tower. It stays up there. That's worth 5 points for 7451 and the Avengers. We're now down to 29 seconds left to go with 6341 and 6340. The Firestorm and Manatees are up on their charging station. What you see for the Red Alliance is what we call docked and engaged. That means they're up there, they're plugged in, they're engaged with that platform, charging their community. That's worth 10 points right now for each robot, as the Blue Alliance bots, Avenger Robotics, and the Disc bots do the same for them. That's 20 points for their alliance. It was a close one at the end of the match. The score says 72-69 in favor of the Blue Alliance. We'll have to wait and see what the final score is. And how we know the final score? We have a Formula One car that'll show up on the screen, presented by Haas. When it takes off, it will leave a streak of paint on the concrete surface to tell us who it is. And here we go. It's revved up. It's taken off. It is the Blue Alliance victorious in that match with a score of 94-91. The big difference in that match, the Blue Alliance was able to charge their grid just a little bit stronger than the Red Alliance.